Assalamualaikum and good day. Today we are going to carry out experiment 1. The title of experiment 1 is Measurement and Uncertainty. Our learning outcomes are to measure and to determine the uncertainty of physical quantities. The list of apparatus involved in these experiments are micrometer screw gauge, vernier caliper, meter rule, ball bearing, coin, metal rod, glass rod, and electronic balance. The procedure involved in this experiment are: Number 1. Choose the most suitable apparatus to measure the object depending on its size. Number 2. Record all your measurements in the given table. Number 3. Determine the uncertainty and the percentage of uncertainty for each set of reading. Number 4. Write the quantity of every measurement as X equals X bar plus minus delta X, where X bar is representing average reading, delta X is representing uncertainty. The formula to calculate the average reading and the uncertainty are as shown. There are two types of reading: single reading and repeated reading. Measurement for single reading. Measurement for single reading means we take the measurement only once. In this experiment, single reading is used to measure the length of a metal rod. Take the initial and final reading for the length of the metal rod. Calculate the difference. Single reading is also used in measuring the length and width of the laboratory manual. Take the initial and final reading for the length of the laboratory manual. Calculate the difference. Next, take the initial and final reading for the width of the laboratory manual. Calculate the difference. The last item to be measured using single reading in this experiment is the mass of ball bearing. It is measured by electronic balance. First, press tear button. Second, place the ball bearing on top of the pen. Number 3. Record the reading. The second type of reading is repeated reading. Repeated reading means we take the measurement a few times. In this experiment, repeated reading is used to measure the diameter of the ball bearing. Number 1. Place the ball bearing between the jaw. The jaw consists of anvil and spindle. Number 2. Rotate the thimble until the ball bearing is nearly touched by the jaw. Number 3. Use the ratchet to make sure the ball bearing is firmly held by the jaw. Number 4. Measure the diameter of the ball bearing. Number 5. Record the reading. Number 6. Repeat the measurement 3 times. Repeated reading is also used to measure the diameter of a coin. We are using vernier caliper to measure the diameter of the coin. Number 1. Place the coin in between the outside caliper jaws. Number 2. Adjust the vernier scale by pressing the thumb screw. Number 3. Record the reading of the diameter of the coin. Number 4. Repeat the measurement 3 times. Next, we are going to use micrometer screw gauge to measure the external diameter of the glass rod. Number 1. Place the glass rod in between the jaws. Number 2. Rotate the thimble until the glass rod is nearly touched the jaw. Number 3. Use the ratchet to make sure the glass rod is firmly held by the jaws. Number 4. Measure the diameter of the glass rod. Number 5. Record the reading. Number 6. Repeat the measurement 3 times. Make sure you go through thoroughly on the procedure of the experiment given. We are going to run the experiment during our practical session next week. Study closely the content of the video presentation to help you run the experiment smoothly. Here are some extra notes for your further reading. Looking forward to see you in the next practical session. Thank you.
Jangan lupa like, share and subscribe video ini. Thank you for watching.